Alright, so guys, I don't know if you guys will like my placement of my, well, we need to change the increment of this down to 1. About like that should be good. No, I need it gridded. Are we still decently enough? No, we're not. Okay. Or was this right? This might have been right. There, good enough for that. Is this moderately straight? Kinda? You know what? They should have a key, that way I can figure this all out. There. That was at 3. I think I need it at 360. No, 360 is not it. Seven's close. Or no, that's 11, so maybe it is 7. Or do I need to go more than 11? Is it more than 11? No, it's less. Oh, wait, we're on. I'm figuring out life slowly but surely. It is not 3:59. We know that now. 2 degrees looks like it's about right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna connect this. That is not right at all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with the tried and true. Go like that. And I'll regret this. Well, no, this will line up better, I think, in the end for me. Because I kind of have it straight. Come on, get me straight. Come on, I need 0. 0 me out. Come on. I was right there. There. So then, if I go straight off that, that should work. No, it's still too angled. Will that work? That can work. That will not work. So we try 6 degrees. And I do believe 6 degrees will work. It doesn't have to be quite perfect. Yeah, 6 degrees should work. And it doesn't have to work right away either. Alright, so I don't want the truss bridge, and I think I want... Yeah, I think I want the ones with the ledge. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be changed to this way. Oh yeah, that looked nice. I like that. And then this can go off to a pier kind of thing. You know, I don't know how many log cars I'm gonna have when all is said and done. But I'm assuming I'm gonna have a decent amount, and I like having long cranes. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Alright. Now we gotta start the process of turning to go where we need to go. Yeah, we are not doing sharp curves like that. We do... I need something a climax can eventually go around, and probably a 280. Oh, I had that curved way, way too hard. I just need to be ballpark at that. And I need a switch. That'll be a right hand. Well, that doesn't need to go in till much, much later on. Okay, I'm betting you I'm far enough I can actually do this now. Oh, I don't think I am. I bet you that throws a huge, I bet you that throws a huge kink into the track somewhere. I mean, right now it's just the shade that has to make it through. But I highly doubt that shade would make it through at a climax. Yeah, I doubt the shade will make it through that. So what we do is we demolish this one and this one. Beautiful. And now I need my switch right. And then I'm going to need new cars, which aren't going to be a big issue. I didn't even look if I could get a new train yet, or how much a new train would be. But I do know a new train would be nice. Why don't I actually just come up to here? That is not how I wanted you to connect into that. But it's fine, I had nothing better to do than run back and forth and all over the place. Because I'm just laying track for 20 minutes. I do kind of like, though, that they made it so that you can go where you want to with the industries. But at the same time, I'd almost rather they be fixed. I don't know, it's kind of a sticky situation for me on what I would kind of prefer. You know what I should have done in the first place? Do this. Telegraph office. You know what else I should have done? Put one all the way at the other end. I wonder if Google has a Morse code translator. I also feel like this is much better and that a class 70 in the consolidation, which I don't think I'm going to use the consolidation as I don't think I'm going to use the consolidation for great work. Even though I'm sure it would be a great candidate. I do not like that. Where's my logo? Okay, the logo is still here. I want to know if it's a 0.5 or a 0.1 grade. Or not a 0.1, it'd be 0.5 or 1. And it's looking like it's going to be a 0.5. I also need to make sure that the switch is lined for me in the correct orientation. No, it's looking like it's going to be a 1%. We'll find out. There's a math calculator that I could use if I really wanted to. Alright, here we go. And I can kill throttle because we're going to go quite rapidly, I think. Are we going to hit higher than the max speed? Or is it all at once we're just going to go downhill? Fine, then I'll max out speed then if we don't move. When we go higher, when we go faster than 7, we know that we're on the grade. Unless the game automatically stops it at 7. which is entirely possible. It's a very good possibility. Probably should have picked Montezuma as my first loco. Speaking of which, how much is a new loco? Oh, that's the truck for that, okay. 2070 3650. Where's the Shay at? Okay, I made the right choice, I just moved slow. We're gonna need 5600 for a good one. Actually, if I don't do that, but I go actually off of pulling power, the next one I think is 3400. We'll do 35 and get the... Do 35 and get a good 7.6. But you're a tender. Yeah, I'm better off doing the better off going with the class 4 and 1. And I'm just going to clear enough trees out of the way to make it so that the loco can actually come through. Because I was looking at when I was looking out the passenger car. Oh, we have fire in the firebox. That's not good. And we have no boiler pressure, which is not good. But we almost made it to where we were going. And at least we have a little bit of steam left. Water temp needs to be, what, 110? And we have plenty of lumber in here. For firewood. Fire should start growing faster. And the safety should pop soon. And I do love me a good shade. You know what? We should change. We need to go turn the light on. Water temp is 85. We should be getting more water pressure here, or boiler pressure soon. And I also should probably make a runaround. But I don't think we are going to make a runaround. And I would assume at 20 pounds of pressure, we should be gaining a mile an hour. Alright, we're going again. We're at 93% fuel even. Well, we hurried up and we got to where we need to be just in time to slow down. I would assume that I should make 10, 20, 30. Yeah, I would assume that we make $30 on this. Hopefully we make 30 at least. Alright, now we get to test out the braking power. I feel like this got extended. That, or maybe it's not buried in the ground as much as it was. Oh, plenty of braking power. Maybe it's 10 a log. Is it 10 a log? Okay, it is 10 a log. Alright, I need one of those coaches. I know I don't have a use for it. Believe me, I know I don't. But I don't need a use for it. What's the name of the map? Lake Valley? Lake. Lake Valley. Oh, there's... Ooh. I don't like the yellow. Will it show me what the interior looks like? Okay, does the interior change? No. We're gonna go with this. Oh! So I do have to be tier 2. That's fine. That is absolutely fine because I'll be back with another road in a little bit. 3 cars at a time though. Because I'm going to get rid of that. And I'll try it with 4 of these instead. We're gonna go Pine Valley, number 200. And as long as the local can make it through the trees and still clean the road, we're good. But I think I'm going to leave this here. I will probably end up reworking this here soon. Depending on where I put because I could put the minor things over here and have iron and coal together. I don't know, we'll find out what I do eventually. But I got lots of log. Hi! But I'm gonna leave this here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Bye!